everyone. This is Faryal Gilani. I hope you all are enjoying your life. Today I am out to spend time with nature and get loosened up with my passion for making art. It is my first time trying this, making art and filming at the same time on a solo date. Let's take a round and find the inspiration for art in this park. At first, I sat on the bench and tried to find my subject near me, but could not find one there. So I decided to shift from there and get closer to my subject. I have found a place to sit, and yes, all set for the adventure. The bridge in front of me is really capturing my attention as I did not do it before in landscape painting. So I decided to draw it and do this in watercolor. While drawing or painting a landscape, there is no need to copy the whole subject as it is. You can compose the things of your interest and remove those you find disturbing in your composition. Therefore, I skip the middle tree and draw the whole scene as I can see it. After drawing, I started with water washes onto the paper. As I am using the wet on wet technique in this painting, I'm adding some base color washes in the sky, in the bridge, and in the foreground. I can observe grey color mixed with yellow and white in the left. I am acquiring the right shade of green by mixing burnt sienna, burnt amber, and yellow to paint the foliage behind the bridge. There are many trees I can see, and I'm trying to get the right light and shadows of these trees. In the foreground. While I was busy adding shadows, a little friend came by and he had to say something.
Subscribe and like. Let's eat!
Squirrely is again here and reminding me of lunch as we both were very hungry. So we both decided to have our lunch and it's yum. After gaining my energy back, I restart the work and this time I am using a black pointer to enhance the painting. Is about to finish and it turned out not so bad as I was thinking. Thank you to all the beautiful people watching this. Your support means a lot to me. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay creative. Bye.